Here's a picture of Pteranodon. Notice his body is totally different than the Brachiosaurus, which had a big oval, and the T-Rex, which had a big oval, and the Dimetrodon, which had a big oval. The Pteranodon's body is just a little circle. And we're going to connect the neck to it and make a little circle for his head. So I'm going to start with my paper. Right in the middle of my paper, I'm going to put a little circle. Not too little, but about that big. Then I'm going to make, on the left side of my circle, I'm going to make a diagonal line that comes up and a diagonal line that gets closer and closer and closer to it. Then I'm going to add a small circle for his head. So I have one bigger circle, one a little bit smaller, and connecting them for his long neck. Now he has a pointy head, so I'm going to start on the side of his head and make a long line that comes out, and start on the other side of the circle and make a long line that comes out. Now I'm going to make his beak, a long beak. So it starts at the top of the circle here and comes down, 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 and comes back to the head in the middle. Then start at the bottom of the circle and come down, 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 and then come back. Actually, maybe I'll make them join right here. Like that. If you want him to catch something, make these beaks closer together. So let's say he's going to catch a fish. So I'm going to make this line closer. Then I'm going to put a fish in here. So the fish is going to overlap his beak. Here's his fishy tail. And his head is going to be on this side. Oh no, I got caught by a Pteranodon. Erase those lines. Let me make his head bigger. Has a little V shape right there. And then I'll put a big circle for the fish eye. And a fin. Now I'll erase all those lines so the fish is overlapping the beak. Okay, now for his legs. His legs come down, he has little legs, and over 2 lines with a little triangle underneath. And then on this side, comes down, 2 lines that follow each other with a little triangle underneath. Now for his wings. Start above your circle, right on his neck, and come way up like a mountain and down to the bottom part. Then start at the circle and come up, follow that line, and curve down and join it. Excuse me. Then for his other wing, start here, come way out, then start at the circle, come join it, jump over his beak, and join this part. Then he has little arms, and they're connected to his wings. So they come like this, 2 lines, and this one, 2 lines. And at the very tip of his wing, he has some little spiky things. Okay, now for his eye. It's a big eye here, so you can see the fish in the ocean. Color it in. Leave a little white spot. Now I'm ready to erase all those extra lines. So I'm going to erase that circle in the middle. And I'm going to erase the circle around his eye. Don't need that anymore. That helped me to draw his head. Okay, then, to make him look like he's flying in the sky, you put your horizon line way down here. And he's way up in the sky. Okay, have fun. Then you're going to outline it with Sharpie again. Here's one that's completed, except I don't have my horizon line on there. There we go. If you want, you could put some water down here. A long little oval. Or maybe the whole thing is just ocean. He's flying over the ocean.